We'll also be paying close attention to that particular tour by the head of state to the northeastern region a day after his former deputy condemned the government's response to the drought situation in that part of the country. Now, moving forward, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has confirmed that the government has secured the safe return of Kenyans stranded in Russia through swift diplomatic and consular interventions coordinated by Kenya's mission in Moscow. The Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs says that majority of Kenyans had fallen victim to recruitment networks linked to the Russian military. The rescue developments have prompted urgent government action, with Mudavadi announcing that plans are at an advanced stage for him to visit Moscow to engage directly with the Russian government.
Where we sit, we have so far facilitated about 27 Kenyans to come back home, away from the front line and away from what they thought were different jobs, but lured into battle. We have seen loss of lives, and I am planning to make a visit to Moscow so that we can emphasize that this is something that needs to be arrested.
Still on the same matter, back to the victims now, and a family in Kiambu town is living